how to transcript any video for free. I know there are plenty of tools available online, but all those tools are paid. So if you want to transcript any video, and let's say you want a script from a video, then what other steps you can do and which tool you can use. So I'm going to tell you the exact methods that you need to perform. The first thing is that you have to identify the video for which you need to do the transcription. For example, like in my case, I have some videos downloaded in my PC. So I'm just quickly gonna play this video.
LinkedIn impression have started.
So I have this video, right? And I want the script from this video. So how can I get it? The first thing that I have to do is that I have to go on YouTube. I have to go on YouTube, and then I need to upload this video because this tool only works with YouTube videos. So you go on YouTube and then you upload the video on the YouTube channel. So I'm just quickly gonna upload the video on any random YouTube channel. So I've selected the video and then I'm just quickly gonna upload it. After uploading the video, just don't make any settings, any SEO, because we are not considering ranking this video on YouTube, right? I just want the transcript from this video. So just click on next, 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 and just upload it publicly and immediately publish it. Once you have published the YouTube video, then copy the URL of this YouTube video. So I've got the URL. Now copy the URL and then you go back to this tool called Antiago Transcript. I will leave the link of this tool under the description below so you can easily find it. Once you open this tool works with 5 different languages: Spanish, Indonesian, Italian, French, and English. So the only drawback of this tool is that like it does not comes with so many languages. It has a very limited feature right now, but the best part is that it is completely free. Then what you need to do, you just need to paste down your YouTube video link over here. So I'm just quickly gonna paste down the link over here, and then you just need to click on transcript, right? Oh, my bad guys, it has a lot of languages. I think my bad guys. So it has a lot of languages available. Last time I thought that like it has only 5 languages supported, but it has different languages available. And then you click on transcript and see, it has done the transcript, and now we will be able to see all the script that was there inside this video. You can copy the script and then you can paste it wherever you want to. So although there are plenty of tools available, but still you can do transcript for free. So I hope you like this quick video and gives me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.